Welcome to the Japanese University. Wow, Japanese University. I wonder what he's going to talk about today. Must be a Japanese textbook. Actually, today we're going to talk about um. Today we're going to talk about parasitic business suits. Whoa! What that mean? Trademark cult. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Says they operated the exact same as a gangster, just with professional terminologies. And he says they operate the exact same as a gangster, just with professional terminologies. It's the same thing. It's the same difference over and over. It wastes my time. Parasitic business suits, trademark clothing, says they operate the same as that. Is that same as a case with professional terminologies? So, there we go. We have the topics done for today.
自重、普段着、薄める、追、既成事実、かぶせる。
Oh, are you trying to force me to wear that parasitic business suit? Because I don't think the same like y'all. I don't think the same like y'all.
即身、
I don't run up to people, force them to wear a silly cow outfit, and then tell them that they're a professional.
手腕、
I don't do that. I give people the American freedoms they rightfully deserve.
小
I
学、
don't tell Americans that they need to split their legs open to gain a viewer on YouTube if they're not Jap. And I don't tell Americans that if their skin color is not white, that they can't lift a Japanese textbook. I don't run around telling Americans that. Oh, no.
歌う、
That would be very, very, very dangerous to
手段、
do, because they have certain rights granted from the United States of America's Constitution. The First Amendment, including the rights to bear arms against corrupt militia.
阻止、抑圧、被告人、るい、
Sir, really? You're gonna make us angry.
そう、
Angry?
にもかかわらず、
I wonder. So, you act like a really deranged racist person, literally trying to inject me with neurotoxins, and y'all are talking about the latest terms of service violation Japanese cartoon on the homepage of YouTube.
あそこ、
And I'm here like studying. So if you repeatedly post it like 10 times over, right? You repeatedly post it 10 times over, even though it already has the official channel, and then you post it 10 more times.
とにかく、
And I'm here studying. And then you would still continually attempt to stop me from studying on the basis of skin color.
添付、頭髪、
And you would mask your hate crimes with professional terminologies, such as trademark culting.
単
Which
発、
would be really great, right? At first. Until you realize that these dudes in these parasitic business suits will literally sit in my face for hours, asking the same question over 100 times that I said no to.
腐る、
They think people was foolish enough to walk to their deaths, and then they actually thought that just because skin color wasn't white, you would stand up and walk to your death. You know, those look like torture chambers back there. What's wrong with your buildings? What's wrong with your structures? Why is it choking point? Why do they look like torture chambers back there? And they would expect me to walk to my death or something. And then I was like, whoa. And now they're here. They're role play. They're acting. Why we got fortune tellers in the courthouses?
受諾
What's up with all this silly acting? Oh no! Oh, Rick, calling back up. Non-white is art with Japanese symbols. Said Ohio gozaimasu at the pedestal. Beep.
地表
You're holding me hostage! Are you holding me hostage? Whoa, we have a hostage situation here.
舞台裏
I want you back here. And this is me watching that courtroom. I had to study Japanese for like 24 hours.
炭鉱
Wonder why y'all waste my time when I asked you the first time to file the lawsuits. Do you think just because you saw the skin color, you didn't have to take it seriously? If you've seen these platforms like YouTube issuing a white person a death threat, you would act on it instantly. But you saw my skin color and you tossed me aside. You didn't get out of my
取
sight.
る粗大有毛兆候電
Oh, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! I said you literally tried to inject me with neurotoxins.
測る
Neurotoxins. It deteriorates your brain. Neurotoxins.
追
You issued a death threat. You tried to inject me with neurotoxins. End of story.
情報具は上長
You also run around outside with assault rifles and hellhounds and choppers. What's up with that? I'm reading my book. You never stepped up, defended me. You never put in 4H crimes so that I would get Article 1, Section 16 and Chapter 960 protections from the Florida Constitution. You never did anything. You just ran around outside with assault rifles. Y'all useless.
徐々に洗剤埋める渋滞帝国用地石化資料雪崩遊興根性金増水掛け算固形自己犠牲餓死強行福祉譲り渡す分岐点波浪侮辱択一陥没保起因愚問全般鎮痛剤咳洗い伴う邪道小老気中ぬるい粘り強い握り寿司最後尾登る老舗ツインとうとう僕滝川孤児院迫力抱っこ絶唱塗り要する救急医療抽出苦悩抱っこ60支部音符逮捕背景覆す山岳女房抽象的起伏
Oh, by the way,
はい
I don't think you should speak to humans like they're moths or insects or animals in the courts
基金
because they're human beings. I'm sorry to tell you that.
予託、 公平、交流、
Look, y'all don't have to make me see that disgusting nonsense.
ソーセージ、
If y'all not treating people like human beings, then I don't want to be there to see it. That's the bottom line.
早乙女、恋の場、知善、
You know, maybe y'all should really stop with the military level attacks in courtrooms. You should stop launching military level attacks on civilians in courtrooms. You know damn well what y'all was doing in the courtroom is the same thing that them terrorists do when they capture people and they torture them. They ask them the same question 100 times to demoralize them. Y'all know damn well y'all don't got any business doing that in the courtrooms. I don't need any more fortune tellers as lawmakers in there.
不幸、別、放棄、戦列、排斥、